Good day, guys. This is GoFX All, and I want to be showing you what supply and demand looks like, and also how to get an entry, and also how I get this entry from a perfect zone. So now, quickly, we are going to look at BTCUSD. We know for quite some months, about 6 months or plus, BTC has been bearish, and now currently from 125k, it's now currently at 72k, but it has printed a low last month, February, at $59,973. So now we are going quickly on why this zone was chose for a sell, and also what happened throughout last month, the month of February. We can see from February, the first week of February, BTC has been ranging between a particular low, this low. BTC has been ranging from this low here to this high, So a ranging market is a market whereby a market do not move past a certain range price. So this is it. So price has been moving to and fro, down, up, going up, going down, then later comes up, then go. This is a ranging market. So what were we expecting? Um, so it was between a specific price, that is the price of 72,000 and 59,000, between a month, that's the first week of February to the first week of March, where I'm recording this video now. So now let us look at what happened during the month. So during the month, there was a low that happened, that occurred, and this was the low that occurred here at this zone. So this was the low, then it comes up here, then begin to react. So it sold down all the way to this point. So at this point there was a demand here, responded, broke the structure. Let me draw it out. Broke the structure. After breaking the structure, went up, mitigated this zone. After mitigating the zone, it went up and broke the range. So what next after breaking the range? Specifically, we can go into this is the 4-hour time frame. So typically, I went into the 4-hour time frame and look for a possible supply zone that has been created from previous market structure. So this is it. Was the AI expected also. It was expected. Then this, then the movement. This was what happened that broke this low and all the way down. And it's also above the range, whereby we can say liquidity, that's institutional funds, are above this ranging structure that I once marked out. Because what is believed to always happen during range is that during the buying side, there's always a buy stop. That's what they call the buy stop liquidity. So the buy stop liquidity is believed that a lot of persons have put pending order for continuation towards the upside. That immediately after the price has been broken, immediately after the price breaks the range, which it has happened, so it comes down. It comes down mitigate, then continue to go up. So there's a lot of buy stop orders above the range. There's a lot of buy stop orders above this range. So what does the institutional market makers does is that instead of them going towards the buy stop order, just how retail traders do trade, trying to trade 9, that is the retest and everything, which I once did before I get understand supply and demand, and also smart money concept, which I trade now and which has made me profitable. So now what happened is that the market makers decide also they are interested in the order flow that is in this space, which means that this side is a supply zone. This side is a supply zone that broke this low. So since this side is a supply zone that broke this low, they're interested in taking the stock orders that was above the range. So what happened above the range? The stock orders that was above the range and go up can begin to look for prices to go down. So what am I expecting to happen? What am I expecting to happen is that price price broke the high of the range, tapped into our supply zone as it has done, and now mitigated back, mitigated back the supply zone, then moving forward, moving what downward to break the low again. So this is what I'm looking at price 50 at 59,000, 59,000. So I'm going to send you the screenshot of how I took the trade at on this zone. So let me clean this. So this is the supply zone. This this was the supply zone I chose. Let me go to a lower time frame, 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's work with 30 minutes. So we're working with 30 minutes time frame now from 4 hours. So it's still valid. It's still valid from 4 hours. I'm working with 30 minutes time frame. So let us look at the supply zone I talked about. So this is it. This was the end of the range at this side. So now what happened? The supply zone that broke the structure. So I took this zone, which was this part from here to this side, was taken, then move ahead towards the futuristic price, and then this happened. So when this happened, it tapped into the structure, into the supply zone, then this broke this, which was confirming our change of character. It was confirming our change of character. That means from bullish to bearish, change of character. So now from change of character, that means from bullish to bearish. Then I mark this side, then I send it to my group. I send it to my group. Yeah, I send it to my group here. I sent it to my group. Okay, this was when it's before it happened. I sent it as a signal to my group, telling them that okay, this is the expected movement I'm having. Then after a few hours later, this is what happened. Exactly what happened. A trigger response from the zone we picked. So now, it was also forwarded to now. The price is currently at 1,700. When I posted this, and this is more than 1:3 already moving, and this 7,500 is not my end TP. I'm going for 65K. And also, this is what the market is doing right now. This is what the market is doing right now. Here's what the market is doing right now. So I'm expecting the price to move further to this zone and clear all lows, to clear all lows, all lows, all lows. So you can follow me for more and see more creative and insightful content as this on your forex, and you can change the bearing of your forex knowledge by following this page. So thank you. This is from GoFX All. Peace.